Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to be unboxing August ALC. I know it's late. I'm very sorry. I apologize to Nikki, and you'll understand why. Nikki deserves an apology for this. However, I've been moving. I had planned on doing these unboxings at the last second before I started transitioning, and then I was like, oh, I can film them at the house, and then they packed my computer, and I forgot to take a laptop, and then we moved. And this got misplaced, not really misplaced. It was where I thought it was. It was just under a pile of stuff that got unpacked as we were unpacking. So anyway, welcome to my living room. If you have not been watching these videos, normally I would have makeup on. Normally my hair would not look quite so lank. Normally I do at least try to look like I cared. However, I moved into a new house 12 days ago, and it has been nonstop since then. If you guys want to know more about the moving process, go check out Thursday's video. I had a clip of where we are in the move. I also explained that it is what it is. It's going to be the theme of the rest of the quarter because I'm trying really hard. I am. Please forgive the echo. I have not set up my microphone yet. It was something I meant to do a couple months ago, and I just never did it because, surprise, we moved. And I just got done filming the sit-down portion of what was this week's show and tell. At the end of that is all the moving stuff where I am in the unpacking process of getting this house together, explaining that we're actually going to have the house professionally painted on the inside because the bulk of the cost is the stuff we can't do ourselves. And it's actually cheaper for the small rooms to have them do it. It was going to cost us, like, just to do the 2 craft rooms, I think it was, we estimated it out, it was going to be like $450, and it's actually cheaper to let them paint those while they're doing the parts of the house we can't do. So anyway, this month's ALC. So Nikki was super duper kind. She sent me a very special gift. So let's share that first. So this was my package from Nikki this month, or last month, however you want to look at it. The most recent ALC that I got. And I literally sat here like just giddy girl squealing and like trying not to cry, because when I'm really happy or really angry I cry, but I almost never cry when I'm sad, ironically. But you could not have picked a better month for Carrie to do this in. I'm just saying. She sent me 3 full hanks of the yarn for this month. So this one is Light Bright. Could you just, I mean, seriously. It is so me. Then we have Roller Rink, which I am head over heels in love with. I even texted her, like, Troy was laughing at me being so excited about this, because this totally just screams like this very specific period of time for my life. And and once again, we're talking Carrie colors. And then we also, you know, just to bring it back and balance a project with these 2 in it, we do have Memory Lane, which is an absolutely gorgeous gray tonal. And it's got like that almost purple undertone to the gray. So it's definitely a cool tone gray, but it definitely balances out a project with these 3. So these 3 will definitely have to somehow be incorporated into something together. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I am over the moon. Thank you so much, Nikki. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I am so sorry this is taking so long for me to film. And of course, this is ending up getting filmed in a day where I'm like, it is what it is. But I am so incredibly thankful. It is absolutely gorgeous and perfect. And I just, anyway. I also, on top of that, she included my birthday gift. She does a birthday gift for all of the members of ALC. If you remind her it's your birth month, she sends you a little mini skein. This one is Happy Birthday 100% Superwash Plush Wool, 44 yards, 20 grams. And once again, we're in that perfect Carrie colorway. I love it. I love it. So part of why this ended up taking so long is after we got to the house, I've had a day or two where I could have technically slapped on some makeup, curled my hair a little bit, not air dried my hair while sleeping on it the night before. However, I put it in this basket and set this basket on the shelf. And after the movers got here, as we were unpacking boxes, that shelf got mounded over with other stuff. And I just uncovered this like 2 days ago because I was wondering, I was like, hey, I had that video I was going to film and I had my ALC and my yarnables and now I can't find them. Where are they? They did get uncovered. They did get founded. So we have some taffy. Taffy, 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 taffy. I haven't had taffy in so long. We're keeping on theme here. And once again, I've told you guys, I am a sucker for a theme box. I'm a sucker for a theme box. So not only do we have like back to school, but it's like that late 80s, early 90s vibes. So we have a clicker pen. How does this one snap back? I'll figure it out. I promise. I'll figure it out. Oh, there we go. Ah. So you can pick it. It's a pick your color pen. If you guys are not part of Gen X or an older millennial, you might not get the absolute thrill of it. I know that things like this are starting to make a comeback though with the younger Gen Z kids. So anyway. All the retro feels. And it's the back to school vibes because we also have a little mini composition notebook. I'm a sucker for a notebook. Y'all know I've got like 80 bajillion notebooks all over my house. I actually just bought 2 really nice, like pleather covered. And then we also got a coaster. And as it matches my craft room right now, well, it matches what will be my craft room in the next 2 weeks. Painting is next week. I can't move furniture until we get that room painted. I can't unpack things any further until we get those rooms painted. Anyway, since that matches the craft room, that will be going in the craft room. I know exactly where that's going to go. But not only did Nikki bless me with like the most awesome birthday gift and the most awesome, like, here, you're moving, have some goal stuff to look at. She also sent me a kit for you guys. So this is the DK weight in the light bright. Let you guys look at that up close. So we're gonna do this very, very simple, mostly because I really, my brain is so with all the moving stuff. I do not have a way to be clever about this. So in order to win the extra bag here, I want you guys to comment in the comment section down below what is your best back to school supply. Like when you were a kid, what is your like throwback nostalgic back to school supply? Like what did you get excited about getting? What was, I mean, like we were really into like Lisa Frank when I was a kid. So like getting that dolphins or the unicorn like folder or Trapper Keepers or whatever your back to school like supply was that is just still a nostalgic, or like the thing that like it was fatty so like your parents wouldn't purchase it for you, but like you still wish you had a ... Explain yourself down below. Tell me what it is and explain yourself down below in the comment section. Make sure that you're a subscriber to the channel. I will be doing a random draw on, let's say the 1st of October. What's today? Yes, let's do this for the 1st of October. So on the 1st of October, I will draw a winner. I will reach out. We will connect. We will talk about who won this. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment down below with your nostalgic feels, school supply, back to school supply, to win the extra ALC for this month. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what you guys make with this. Like I said, my brain is like, woo! And the other part of my brain is like, we must. And I'm just sitting here in the middle going like, but I can't. Anyway, comment your nostalgic school supply. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I will do a drawing on October 1st, 2023 to win the prize for this month. And if you haven't already, go check out Nikki's channel. She is here on YouTube. Also go check out her shop because there's also pretty stuff over there. Thank you, Nikki. I'm so excited. Once again, we're color soul sisters. We're soul sisters on this one. And I love the fact you went with roller rink, because not the one I went to as a kid all the time in Anderson, South Carolina, but the one that was up in Lexington, North Carolina that my grandparents used to take me to. It was very much that is just screams roller rink. And I think of memories of there with the little mini arcade and everything. Like, it's just, Pippin's curled up in his basket giving himself a bath. So anyway, I love you guys. I am going to peace out and get back to work on the house. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff that still needs to be done. If you didn't watch Thursday's video, go check that out. You'll understand why I'm sitting in front of a box of tissues and like there's a giant bowl of potato chips back there, and I'm not sure what that is. I think there may even be a thing of laundry over here somewhere still. I don't know. Anyway, I love you. I will see you guys real soon. Please come back and check out the winner. I love you. Bye, guys.